So good morning everyone, it's like 7 something a.m. now. We're about to meet everyone and head off to SEMA for the first day. Voting starts at, probably started by now, and they announced like a new thing this year where like something called like an editor's challenge, which basically they have like a bunch of little games for us to do at SEMA, basically like stuff like scavenger hunts, recreating pictures at the show, finding this and that, finding I guess people to take pictures with or something like that. So I guess it gives us something to do so we're not just standing at the booths.
Yeah, it's online.
I just sent in something.
You grab a card.
Okay. Right, cool.
Are we actually going in order, or are you just...
I can't go in order because I don't actually like know where things are.
As I see the things that I see, I will know which ones they are. If that makes sense. First of all would be KW or SC suspension.
I have a wow.
Let's see.
This is the seat that has the removable halos, remember? I was considering it. It looks really awkward compared to mine. You see how the halos bolt in? Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get that.
Vehicle with the car cover on. Adam LC Garrett right there.
Okay. Take a picture with it?
No, not with it, just of it.
Oh.
See, find it, photograph. Next is
Formula Drift competition car at James Dean Escobar. Holy shit, the fucking fun is it?
Oh, there's a pink car.
Probably.
You have to take a picture of it, or with it?
Yeah, that's really pretty. I said of all of them.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
It's actually really pretty.
That Corvette over there too, the one that's taken apart, that's also a competition car, so either or.
Wait. Do it again. Okay.
So we have 3 out of a million now. So your tires tread pass on the outdoor hood gets set up, truck with American Force wheels. Aftermarket camshaft, that's easy. KW or SC suspension, we have to find the booth. Car with exposed rust and or patina. Pretty sure there's a truck back there that had surface rust on purpose.
Yeah. Okay. Cross that off.
Yeah. This might happen.
What?
All these engines have aftermarket camshafts, but you have to take a picture, but there might be a diagram of one taken apart, like a head only.
Yeah, see there's one right there. You see the camshaft on the little wall?
No.
The one with the knobs.
Yes. So what, you just have to take a picture of it?
KW or ST suspension, I prefer KW because I want to look at their stuff.
KW.
Thursday.
What do you need from here? Here, come over here. Get the KW in the sign, in the picture. Okay.
Visit airlift booth, point, take photo, upload of product.
What? No. Alright, so you need to... Now you have to take a picture of actual
I
product.
visited the booth, so that's fine.
Here, product.
For me, it's the 10th one.
Started, gents.
So it really had to be the biggest and the best.
Cars on the move in 3, 2, 1.
This is just something that you've just never seen before.
It's still there.
You're puffing a little smoke,
See
my
me
man.
run for that. Somebody throw it to me.
Okay, cool. That's normal?
Okay.
Normal.
This thing here from LA.
Sports car racers in the world. They're all factory drivers in that class. Measure the best
So some of you may have already seen the car on my channel, you just haven't seen the color, so hopefully it's cool and you like it. That's my car. Yay. So where do we go from here? Do we talk about it? Do we look at it? Okay. As you can see, I guess we'll start with the most obvious thing. This car is built to the level of like a Pro 1 4-wheel drift spec car. But one thing that was kind of important to me to kind of make it stand out a little bit, rather than making it look crazy, I thought it would be cool to try to make it look more like a street car. So, you know, from a distance or just looking at the car, it doesn't look too crazy, but when you get up close, kind of a lot of the details and a lot of the fabrication work that the guys at Injuku have put into the car really shine. Should I pop the hood and like talk about like specs and stuff? Okay, let me get my fancy hood prop.
Hey Drive Shy, Mitch here, and I'm with Andrei Vasiliu. and he is here with his Need for Speed car. Need for Speed Most Wanted, which is even better. I'm gonna ask him a few questions. Andre, what is your favorite car?
My favorite car probably be GTR. But if I had to choose anything other than that, it would probably just be like an old school Porsche 911. Something like that. I know.
Yeah, see, look, it says in here, RWB Philly. It's the one that's like an hour. It's like this young kid, and they built this at his parents' like garage. Or like the guy came, Rocky boy. Don't worry, thank you.
Yeah, I'll turn the front blinkers on for you, the flashers. Check out the... Yeah, we didn't even make it down. I don't care about the show, I just want to build 5 or 6 of these a year for people who want them. There you go. I'm in the shop, then we're building. I'm not building, I just want to push over over there.
Nice.
I think it's good.
That's good.
That's
Good things. Yeah.
What, Ellie?
See, those things, I don't know what the hell they are, but it seems like they clip on, and they're like fans to push more air towards the brakes.
I've seen them on something.
Yeah, there's a ton of people that run them now.
Yeah, I'll never be. They built muscle, something.
They're like the star bits. It's so pretty in there.
Yeah, it's a full. As of right now.
This is suspended water.
So we just got done doing the NASCAR thing. I went 146 point something miles an hour. She went 138. I don't know, it was weird because like you're on a radio and they kind of tell you to maintain RPMs. Obviously the cars are like, it's a 4-speed. You never actually floor the car. You just kind of go up to 3K shift, go up to 3K shift, and then again into 4th. And then you go up to like 5,000 RPMs or the engine like starts to sputter and stuff. But it was weird because like I was trying to go for the Formula 1 lines and stuff and hug the wall, but I couldn't hear the guy too well, so I really didn't know if I was doing good or bad. But anyways, whatever. Solid 8 minutes. They gave us USBs, but they took them, so I don't know if they're gonna put the footage on there. But if they do, I mean, here's the footage. If not, here's my face. So, so I don't really know. I mean, how was your first day of SEMA?
Exhausting.
Yeah, it was really exhausting. Yeah, I talked to a couple of guys. Some of them just know me off Instagram, some from YouTube, so I don't know if you're watching this video or not. But for the people that came by the booth, took a picture, tagged me in their story, whatever, thank you so much. It really means a lot seeing you guys. I'm still kind of upset about the car, how it's not like, not so that it's not 100%, but that it's just not 100%. Like, I don't know, I'm just not like 100% happy with the side skid situation.
Where's my phone?
They're in the bag. But yeah, the side skirt situation is what really bothers me. But oh well. Obviously, like I mentioned before in the video, go vote. It's been up already. You can either post on Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag TBG6Andre to vote for me. Instagram or Twitter, or you could just vote on the Facebook, or you could just do both and kind of have more than one. Yeah, all three. If you have all three, I don't have a Twitter, but I do have an Instagram and other caca. I don't know if it's daily for the posts with the hashtag. Is it? Maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, yeah, whatever. Well,
I don't really understand how they're...
yeah, I don't understand, but we had, thanks to Rachel, we literally got that whole scavenger hunt thing I mentioned out of the way as you saw some of the footage. I mean, we just wanted to get it over with, so then we can, I got some candy for me. I just want to get it over with. Rachel wanted to get it over with so we could go explore SEMA the couple next days, but yeah, I mean, it's cool, it's cool. I actually interviewed with Drive Tribe, the thing that Top Gear started, or the Grand Tour started, or whatever like that. Because I was like talking to a guy, he's like, can I give you an interview? And you know how they all have like the passes and it says their names, and I looked down and it just says like Drive Tribe Ambassador, and I'm like, like, okay. So he said he would have that up tonight or tomorrow, so hopefully that'll help. But I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna eat this candy now.